Hello, welcome. Here, we'll learn together, step by step, how to flourish in a new community, build strong connections, and experience a more fulfilling life in the United States. Are you ready? Let's get started. California has recently enacted several significant laws affecting immigration, residency, and immigrant rights that are pertinent to daily life. In this video are some key developments from 2024 and 2025. Health coverage expansion for undocumented residents, effective January 1, 2024. Starting in 2024, California became the first state to offer comprehensive health insurance to low-income undocumented individuals of all ages through the Medi-Cal program. This initiative is expected to provide full coverage to approximately 700,000 undocumented residents, primarily those aged 26 to 49. Previously, Medi-Cal coverage was available to undocumented residents under 26 since 2019. Expansion of farm worker housing, signed into law on September 24, 2024. Governor Gavin Newsom signed two bills, AB 2240 and AB 3035, aimed at improving access to affordable housing for farm workers. AB 2240 focuses on creating stable housing by utilizing state-owned land near existing farm labor centers and assessing the feasibility of converting temporary housing into permanent residences. AB 3035 streamlines the approval process for farm worker housing in Santa Clara and Santa Cruz counties, increasing the housing unit cap from 36 to 150 to address overcrowding and inadequate living conditions. Additionally, SB 1105 allows agricultural employees to use accrued paid sick leave during emergencies such as extreme heat, flooding, or smoke conditions. California Community Colleges Access and Continuity for Deported Students Act, AB 695, was introduced on February 14, 2025. This bill proposes to support deported students by exempting them from paying non-resident tuition if they were enrolled in a California community college at the time of deportation, and re-enroll in an online education program. It also allows those who legally re-enter the U.S. and resume in-person education to retain residency status for tuition purposes and regain eligibility for financial aid. The bill aims to ensure educational continuity for students affected by immigration enforcement actions. Support for undocumented entrepreneurs, Assembly Bill 2543. Signed into law in 2024, AB 2543 enables undocumented entrepreneurs to obtain small business certification. This grants access to benefits such as bidding preferences and prompt payment on state contracts. This legislation allows undocumented business owners to compete more equitably and contribute more fully to California's economy. Legal challenges to federal immigration policies. California has actively opposed federal immigration measures that could impact immigrant rights within the state. In November 2024, Attorney General Rob Bonta prepared to challenge President Donald Trump's anticipated policies affecting immigrants, LGBTQ+ residents, and other vulnerable groups. The state emphasized its readiness to litigate against federal overreach to protect Californians' rights. In January 2025, California joined a lawsuit opposing President Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship for United States-born children of undocumented immigrants, citing conflicts with the 14th Amendment and Supreme Court precedent. In February 2025, Governor Newsom announced his intention to veto Assembly Bill 15. This bill aimed to prohibit state prisons from cooperating with U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, also known as ICE, regarding prisoners eligible for release. Governor Newsom explained that the decision was made to ensure that the state maintains a balance between law enforcement and community trust. The governor's office emphasized that it's crucial to strike a balance, ensuring that law enforcement can do its job while fostering trust within the community. These developments reflect California's ongoing efforts to support immigrant communities and navigate the complex landscape of immigration policy.